Good morning and welcome back, Basic Fam. Sorry we took so freaking long, but we're back at it and we got a lot more content to bring you guys. So the whole month we've been gone, we've been working on this piece of crap. As you can see, took it all apart. What's up, boss? Took that part to the machine shop. Now we're gonna put it all back together and you guys get to watch. As always, thanks for tuning in. We missed you guys. How have you been? Missed all kinds of holidays with you guys. Hope you guys got fat and happy.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Black Friday deals out. I heard you guys didn't pick up some shit. No way.
Pull the trigger. Not me. Not only me. Logan. Josh. They all pulled the trigger.
So we got a lot of content coming for you guys. Stay tuned for that. We're gonna be busy now.
Alright, so today we're gonna slap on the head. We're gonna try to get the timing sprockets correct. At least put it on. We're gonna put on the rocker arms and maybe the cams and call it a wrap for today.
Yup.
And after that, it's just valve cover, setting timing correct, manifold, turbo, all that stuff's going back on.
Then the headers
Going back on. And then we're gonna prime the fuel, get everything back in, put in coolant.
Then it should be good to go.
Yep, let's start it right back up.
We got all the gasket kits ready to roll. Put that bitch in. Quick wipe down on that. Now we throw this on, figure out which way it goes. So the problem I had was a blown gasket. There's already a lot of videos on how to do that on an S13 RedTop, so go check that out if you need tips on how to take it out. That's what I used. But now we're just putting it all back together.
Don't call me.
Don't call him. One job should be enough. One gasket a year should be enough. Junior! Junior! Flippy! Head back on. So, Micah and Logan told me to keep everything organized. We ziplocked everything and labeled them. Now when we put them all back together, we know what's what. And we can just throw it all there. But
you still gotta use some memory of where it goes.
There's a proper order on how to do it too, but you know. We'll try and show you that too.
Ain't no hope. Ah.
So far, got the head bolts in.
The head gasket, head bolts are in, so we gotta tighten it, but I forgot to bring my torque wrench.
That's okay. You brought yourself, handsome. And what's next?
So we're gonna at least tighten it just a bit. Set the cam, the sprockets for the timing. Or we can call it a wrap unless you wanna do the headers. You can throw the headers in.
Oh, looky, looky! I found a white cookie. Logan's installing a hydro brake.
No, I'm installing airbags.
He's changing out bump stops. So in the month that we've been gone, how have you been, Logan?
I kind of spent $6 grand on parts, so I'm kind of broke right now.
But
Got a fun little thing that I'm not saying yet.
But it is gonna be content. And we're gonna be busier now on the channel.
Just gotta get that 240 up and running.
Shit. You know us boys, we love them eliminate guys. We're on the savage shit. So while Michael works on installing the head, I'm gonna clean out the manifold. I got a shed load of brake cleaner, so I'm gonna blow all this dust off. Alright, so I got a little part. Let's go grab some brake cleaner and fucking dust this fuckers.
So it's always good to, since we got it off, it's good to clean it. Because especially with turbos, the oil goes back through the intake. So since we got it out, I'm gonna put
Logan's old bump stop that he was just taking out. It's all rubbish. Alright, cut. Taking a break. One of our brothers is on the side of the road. We're on a distress call, so we're gonna go jump his car and we'll be right back to this. What a dick. Look, it's our brother.
What's up, boys? How's it?
Oh,
Bro, you're really dirty.
oh, okay.
my bad.
So brother man was pounding the chick in the car.
Oh yeah, he was.
He
He had his lights on. He set the mood, and you know he got down to business.
Oh!
I can't even fit myself in this.
The 86 though.
So kind of like start.
Yeah, I know something was wrong with the. Oh, and then like, so I rode it back, and then my auntie's trying to jump it. Still nothing. So what I did was I rode it down the hill and I fucking just kicked it.
Kickstart him.
I think it's a battery. I was trying to, had the interior lights going.
Trying to set the mood and you left them on all night. This guy.
Of course.
It's right. Still look good though. So this is another guy that pulled the trigger.
Yes, I did.
So we have more content coming. So stay tuned. We're not gonna tell you.
Pull the trigger. I'm broke. I pulled a $6,000 trigger.
Pull the trigger.
I pulled the wrong trigger and had kids. Nah. I'm not gonna put that in there. Alright, made it back home. Gonna try and get as much as we can done. But we brought the torque wrench. Alright, headers are cleaned. Now he's torquing it down with the torque wrench.
Snap on everything. The knees is against the fender and the stomach is supporting. Oh, sorry.
Damn, I want to get in that.
So I got ARP head studs. Torquing it to 80. Right.
Okay,
Cancel. Torquing it to 85. Doing the rocker arms now. And check this shit out. Working on the camshafts. I'm still trying to get this intake together, but I'm missing one bolt and I don't know where I put it. Shit. Alright, so that's it for today. We're gonna try and come back and do this another time. A couple other vlogs coming at you, like some cruises possibly. We might be on some cruises. A lot more parts on everybody's cars. Trying to get this piece of shit up and running for now.
Alright, so stay tuned. A lot more content, a lot more builds happening. But you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and share our videos. 400 subscribers coming up.
Alright guys, sorry about the last drop at 300. We're supposed to have a
Small giveaway.
with a shirt, and we had a backup on the shirt, so got an even bigger surprise coming up.
So, compensate for what happened with the 300. We messed up, but we're gonna do another one at 450 subscribers. So
Make sure you tell your friends, your moms, and your cousins.
yeah, tell everybody. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do 2 winners. Second place winner gets a shirt and a sticker. So our brand new shirt that's gonna be coming out and a sticker. And the first place winner is gonna get a shirt, a sticker, and a jet tag.
A jet tag!
Are we making those?
So I'm gonna be coming out. We're gonna be coming out with jet tags maybe next week. So
Stay tuned.
Stay
Make sure
tuned.
you like, comment, subscribe.
and might be for sale.
Yeah.
But first place winner for the giveaway will get one for free.
Yeah. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Shoot.
I love you, Bobby.